Hello, welcome back to Pray.Plan.Repeat. I am Chanel. Thank you so much for coming by. As you guys can see, I still have this purple nail polish. It is starting to peel, but it's still on here, y'all. So we are jumping into my mini, and I'm going to set up my mini. I want to show you guys what I did to put into my mini. By the way, I'm using my mini happy planner as my health and fitness planner. I am going to keep all the months in here, and this is what it looks like. If you have never seen this planner, you guys, I truly do love it. Sorry y'all, my arm is itching. All right, but I believe I did. Oh, this is this current week, you guys. I just wrote in pencil trying to figure out my layout, and we are actually going to plan for the first full week of January right here, along with setting up my other stuff. So let me get my hole punch and we will begin. So as you guys can see, everyone always has, in every happy planner, there's always a hello, this planner belongs to. And I've seen a lot of people always put their names here. You know, it's cool and everything. I actually had a different idea, and I've taken the time out to do it today. I did not film it because when I am very, putting myself into something, I like to sit, watch TV and do it. And I knew it would be a whole process, lots of sticker books. So let me just go ahead and show you what sticker books I used. I used this dates and holiday sticker book. Y'all can see this. I picked it up from Hobby Lobby a long time ago. I have this alphabet sticker book. I also use this Agenda 52 sticker book. This is their girl sticker pack, 431 pieces. I have used a lot of stickers out of here over the years. I have used this sticker book from Happy Planner. It's their fitness one. I know they have another one, but this is just what I have, and I'm trying to use what I have and not buy another thing or anything else. I did use colorful boxes. Now, this particular one, you guys, I am going to admit I am running out of colorful boxes. So I am going to have to, actually, y'all can see, I'm going to have to buy me another one of these books or another colorful boxes book. And then I also used the Disney Happy Planner sticker book. Okay, I used this one. This was my most recent purchase, probably about a month ago. So instead of doing the hello page, I actually created a landing page, and I'm gonna have my name on it as well, but it's not here. I put the order in, but it's not here yet. I created this landing page. Instead of it saying hello, this planner belongs to, it's like encouraging situation or encouraging words for me. Don't give up. A little progress each day adds up to big results. Don't give up. And as you can see, Mickey right here is holding the words, yes, you can, to try to push that at me. And so that way, as I look at this, it says, don't give up. And I'll have my name, Chanel, here. So it'll be like, don't give up, Chanel. Chanel, yes, you can. I know my name's not here yet, but my name will be here. And I didn't want to wait to put this in, so I'm going to put it in with you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this out. And this is going to be the backing of this because I still want this on here. And I think I might wipe this out real quick. Okay. I think that's pretty good for, you know, what it is. So there we go. This is going to be my landing page. So when I open it up, woohoo, that's the first thing that's going to be in there. I like it. And then when you flip it open, you still see the year. Then we're going to move on to this side. We're going to pull this one out here. You know what? We're going to go ahead and pull this one out too, because we're actually not going to use this one. I'm not going to use it. So I'm going to pull this one out, and I'm going to pull this one out. So this, you know, it has 2023 on it. But on this particular side, the other items I created are these right here. I created these. So it says Get Fit. And I just found, like I said, I showed you guys all the books that I used to get my stickers. And I can see these are where my rest of my colorful boxes went that are actually colorful, not black. And I used them in here so that way as I progress along, I can put how much weight I lost and the date. This is my weight loss tracker here. I just didn't mark it, I just put Get Fit. And at the bottom, this is one green square that is my goal weight I am trying to reach. So I will be putting my starting weight right here in this box. No, up here in this box right up here. It's not even gonna be a box. I'm just gonna write starting and put my weight up here. And then my ending weight will be down here. I think that's what I'm gonna do. No, I think I'll put my starting weight here. Because you know, you gotta start somewhere. So I'll put my starting weight here, and I actually have not done that. So I'm gonna do that on camera with you guys. But I'm just gonna go through the same process where, not on this side, but on this particular side, I'm gonna take this one and glue it here. And I'm gonna take this one and glue it here and punch it. And then I'm gonna show you what I do next. All right, guys, so as you can see, I have already adhered them to this side, and I already put the holes in there, and the holes actually went in a lot better this time around. So next I'm going to move this one to the side because this one is done. Now this one, as you can see on this side, it has January. It's like my January dashboard, week at a glance or month at a glance type page. It says we can put notes, big ideas. It tells you the holidays and birthday special dates. I'm actually going to cover that up. I am not going to use that for this, not in my health and fitness planner. Instead, I have something else that I created to put here. This right here. I am going to take my measurements, my chest, my arms, my waist, my hips, and my thighs. And these are all individual letters I put together to create these words. On this side of these little dots, I'm going to write in the measurements for everything. And on this side, so this is going to be my before, and then on this side, as you can see, it says after. Over here will be the measurements of everything after I, reach my goal weight. I don't have an end date. I do have a beginning date, but I don't have an end date. And yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and just add this on, adhere it, re-punch it. That's the whole reason why I punched it ahead of time, so I wouldn't lose the holes, which I guess it really didn't matter. I guess I could have done it all at one time. But anyways, it's too late for that. So that's what I'm about to do right now. All right, guys, as you can see, I have done this side, so it's with this, and we're gonna go ahead and put this right back into the planner itself. Oh, I can't wait until my name gets here, you guys. I can't wait for that. So I'm just gonna flip that open, and we are just going to put these in here. And like I said, I just used the sticker books I showed you guys. I used a pencil. I used this paper matte Flair medium black pen to go over my little lines. And I used a red Sharpie Ultra Point permanent marker. That's basically all I use. And my stickers, of course. So I'm going to have that. I super like this. And it's like a game board situation here. Like that. And then you flip it over. And by the way, all I used was regular printer paper you use in your printer. That's the reason why I'm using this, because this paper is thick. But we're going to go ahead and do our layout for next week. right, you guys, so here is the spread for next week. For me, this will work. You know, I'm not trying to do anything all intricate and, you know, super detailed. It's just very easy space for me to write what I had for breakfast, lunch, and dinners, whether I worked out or not that particular day, which reminds me I need to go back and write in the days of the week right here. I'm just gonna write them in. Rather, if I had enough water for a single day, you know, every single day, I'm just gonna, you know, color it as I see fit, you know, the amount of water I received that particular time. But yeah, I just wanted to, you know, kind of do something a little different than what I normally did before. So let me know what you guys think about this spread. And let me show you what I did one more time, you guys. So when you open it up, it says plan a happy life. And then it's gonna have, you know, inspirational quotes and stuff. And then my name is gonna go right here. Then you flip it over. We have the year at the glance, calendar. And then you jump into what will be in here, which reminds me, let me go ahead and put the date on here and how much I currently weigh. So I currently weigh, I don't know. I'm trying to figure out where I'm gonna put the date at. I think I'm gonna put the date right here. So it's gonna be 12/29/2021. We're gonna put that right there. And I currently weigh 201 pounds. Okay, that's how much I currently weigh. I do have an end goal in mind. I don't know if I'm going to see it or when I'm going to see it. I will see it. I'm praying I see it. I just don't know when I'm going to see it. So for right now, I'm just going to put my goal weight because it might change. I'm going to put it in pencil, which is 160 pounds. That's my goal weight, you guys, right there. So every time I lose 2 to 3 pounds, I'm gonna write it in here because that's an accomplishment for me, you guys. So that's what I'm gonna write in here. Then when you turn it, we have right here where I'm gonna put in my measurements. So the next time you guys see this, I should have my measurements in here. And then let me make sure I get my little, there we go. Gotta make sure I don't lose my spot. Then we go into here on this side over here. It just has if I hydrated enough particular day, what workouts I'm currently doing, and the days of the week of what I'm just doing it very, very simple. Guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed me putting together my health and wellness. What is this? Mini binder, my mini happy planner binder. I'm super excited to be on this road with you guys. Let me know if you guys are doing this or if you have a different way of doing something. Let me know. If you happen to have a YouTube channel, let me know and I'll come and check it out. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, I'm Chanel and welcome. Hi. I'll talk to you guys again next time. See you later.